And welcome to Leon's Lock Pad. Got a Euro dimple lock today. It was given to me by a family friend. I know it's a fairly cheap one and it's a new one, but they know I have a channel, so when they're out and about they see locks and padlocks and stuff and send them me. She's good. I've got this one as well, which I'm going to do at some point, glass window lock. But yes, is this cylinder lock? Euro lock, sorry. Show you the bitting. You see that? Comes with 5 keys. It's a 5-pin. Does work, as you see. Absolutely fine. Even though it's a cheap one, it works no problem. I'm going to use my dimple lock pick from Gozo with a Z-wrench from the same kit. One thing I do like about dimple locks is I can just rest my thumb on them, and just the general weight of my thumb is enough tension. I don't have to press any at all. And just rest my thumb on it gently, and there we go. And, that's fine. That's 4. That's 3. That's 2. Got one missing somewhere. And there we go. Easy pick. Hopefully soon I'm ordering a hook disassemble kit. Looking forward to that. So I actually start stripping these locks and repinning them. And even though it's a fairly cheap one, it means I can, you know, pull apart this one, put this one back together again, rather than a really nice expensive one. I think it's a good thing about some of these cheaper ones. And like I say, it works perfectly fine. Was an easy pick. Was an easy pick. Now I've got my dimple pick kit from Gozo. But yeah, I hope this video helps in any way. I know it was only a short one. Please don't forget to check out UK Lock Sport, if anybody who hasn't. Great website, great forum, great bunch of lads. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.